Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? The Gerrie Group offers world-class service to clients around the world. Call us today to set up your personal tour at 417-337-1509 or email us at gerriemooregroup.com. Breathtaking views of Table Rock Lake from this stunning home with 3 levels of lake views for year-around beauty. From the moment you walk in, your eyes are captivated by the views from every window with light flooding the open floor plan. Perfect for entertaining with kitchen features custom cabinets with granite counters, GE profile appliances and more. Living, dining and hearth room with fireplace step out onto the covered patio, perfect for barbecues and cocktail parties. Your guests will want to stay from sunrise to sunset. Imagine waking every day to the panoramic views from your master en suite with jetted tub, Jack and Jill sinks and convenient washer and dryer hookup in the master closet. Split floor plan with 2 bedrooms, office and bath round out the first floor.